So
Numbers 100.
Hey, can I tell you something?
One.
I could ever tell Ralph.
Oh,
Of course.
I know it sounds crazy,
oh, it's
but
two.
the second I walked into this game, it felt
Three.
It felt like home. I mean, more than Sugar Rush ever did.
Oh yeah.
Four.
Because it's like my dream. It's full of weirdos, and the racing is super dangerous, and you never know what's
Five.
I mean, back home, I know exactly what's gonna happen next because Ralph's dream is to do the
Six.
same thing every day.
Here's something I wish I'd learned years ago. There is no law saying best friends have to have the same dreams. You know?
Whoa. Yeah. You are a very wise person, Shank. And a good friend, too. Thank you.
Around here, Pips like to say, "Thank you." You know, after you go home and your life gets back to normal, you're always welcome here.
But that's the thing. I want this to be my normal. I want this to be my life. I can't go home now.
Seven.
I just can't.
8.
Wow. You know, where I come from, that's called a kick in the face.
I can't believe it.
Straight up donkey kick to the teeth.
She's supposed to be my best friend. No, this can't be right. No, she's been brainwashed. That's what this is. Because the Vanellope I know would never abandon me like that. I gotta get her out of there now.
Hey, easy now, Tiger. I admire the impulse, but you charged in there like some white knight.
9.
She's liable to hold it against you.
What?
So what? We're supposed to just let her stay in a game that's obviously bad for her?
Of course not.
Then how do I make her leave? She thinks it's so cool
Just see
and
what
exciting
over
in
there.
there. Unless you know how I can make the game boring or... Wait, you know about viruses and stuff, right, Spamley?
Who's asking?
Whoa. Back home, me and the kid used to goof off in this game called Tron, but then it got a virus that made the motorbikes go slow, and then Vanellope stopped wanting to hang out in there. So, is there a way to do something like that to slaughter it?
10.
Oh, there's ways. Follow me.
I got mother's maiden names, social security numbers.
Now,
11.
this area down here is what's called the dark net. A lot of shady characters hang out down here, so try to keep a low profile. Gord! Oh, there you go. Now, Gord here, he's dabbled in virus making, but his cousin, this guy we're gonna go see, Double Dan. This dude is a
Wow.
virus making machine. Oh, here we go.
Are you sure this is safe?
Is it safe? Of course it is. Just whatever you do, do not look at his little brother.
Oh, his little brother?
13.
Double Dan! A long time no see.
Who are you?
JP's family?
13.
We met one time over at Friendster, which tells you it had to be a long time
40.
ago.
What are you looking at?
Nothing?
You looking at my brother?
40.
You look at my little brother.
Oh, I wasn't.
He's very self-conscious. You. What are you doing here?
50.
Reason I came to your neck of the face. I mean, there's a face in your
50.
neck. I mean, what's the neck of the woods?
16.
The reason I'm here is 'cause I heard a little
16.
rumor. I heard a rumor that you could give me a
70.
harmless virus kind of thing that might be able to slow down the
70.
slaughter race game.
Oh, yeah. My cousin
80.
Gordon told me you wanted to crash it.
18.
Crash it? No.
90.
No, I don't want anyone getting hurt.
20.
If there's a way to just,
20.
I don't know, just make the cars go slow or something so the
21.
game is boring and my friend comes back home to me.
22.
Allow me to introduce you to Arthur. Easy there, boy. He's keen.
23.
Arthur's what I call an insecurity virus. Means he looks for little flaws and weaknesses that make a program insecure. You release
24.
him into that slaughter race game. Arthur will find some defect in the code. Then he'll copy
copy
that
the
defect and spread it
defect
all over the game. Till everything
25.
is quote unquote boring. Just like you want it.
26.
Just to be
Hey,
super
guys,
clear, no one gets hurt, right?
Are you stupid? Well,
27.
because the only way anyone gets hurt is if you are stupid. All you have to do is make sure
28.
the virus stays in slaughter race.
Right. Don't be stupid. Make sure it doesn't get
Oh,
out of
got
slaughter
it.
race.
Out.
Go ahead. Got it.
Get out.
Thank you. Your assist face.
Out.
I mean, assistance. Thank you for your assist face. Assistance.
Get out.
Come on.
29.
Fiddlesticks.
Let's do.
That's game.
Ah, beginner's luck.
Come on, kid. I know a hustle when I see one.
Players on the way.
Thanks, Bob. Let's roll.
Game faces on, guys.
Showtime. You ready for
30.
I think so.
Hey, don't be nervous. You're gonna be
Let's
great.
do 30.
You didn't tell Ralph yet, did you?
Not exactly.
Come on, V. He's your best friend. You gotta let him know you're
30
planning on
what?
staying here for a while.
31.
But he's gonna get really upset.
Yeah, he might, but you guys, you'll talk, you'll work.
32.
Figure it out.
Yeah, but what if we don't?
32.
What if his feelings get hurt so bad he won't want to be my friend anymore?
Look, all friendships
33.
change, but the
33.
good ones, they get stronger. because of
33.
it.
Shank, I hate to bother you, but the player is waiting.
We're not gonna tell you what to do,
33.
kid. It's your call.
34. 34.
All right, let's race.
35. 35. 36. 36. 36. 37.
Scanning for insecurities.
37.
Scanning for insecurities.
38.
Precious cargo. Deliver the car to Bert's Chop Shop.
38.
But watch out for Shank and her
39. 39. Boy! Boy! 41. 41.
Thank you.
42. 42. 43. 43. 44. 44. 45.
Scanning for insecurities.
45. 46. 46.
Looks like we're not finished. Come on, V.
46.
Ralph?
47. 47. 48. 48.
Relax.
49. 49.
Okay. Ralph will be fine.
50.
Insecurity detected.
50.
Copying insecurity.
51. 51.
Distributing insecurity. Distributing
52.
insecurity.
52. Oh.
Distributing.
What is happening?
52. 53. 53.
What's going on, family?
53.
The whole place is going crazy. I thought that
54.
virus was just supposed to slow down our car.
54.
It was. You must have found
55.
something stable in there.
55.
It's a glitch.
Game reboot begins
56.
in 60
56.
seconds.
Whoa, hey, Ralph, you can't go in there. They're gonna reboot the game and anything that doesn't belong in there will be deleted.
Yeah, if I don't get her out of there, Vanellope's gonna die.
57. 57.
Come on, kid. The game's crashing. Let's go.
I think it's my glitch. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to destroy your game.
We'll be fine, but your code isn't part of this game.
57.
We gotta get you out of here now. Follow me to the exit.
58. 58. 59. 59. 60. 60. Ah! What happened to the 61? 61. What?
The server is rebooting, Ralph. Both of you have to get out of
62. 62.
Game reboot in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reboot in progress.
62. 63. 63. 63. 64. 64.
There you are. You okay, kid?
65. 65.
So bad.
No, you didn't. It's okay.
This is all because of me and my
65.
I should have just stayed with you instead of following some
No, I
stupid
just
dream.
never
I ruined everything.
No, kid, no. Look.
What's wrong with
Didn't
you?
mean for it
It's
to
sad.
happen
It's
like this. It's not supposed to be this bad.
You didn't mean for what to happen.
I might have kind of
65.
put a harmless little virus in the game.
65.
A virus?
66. 66.
Well, I wouldn't have done anything if I hadn't heard you tell Shank that you wanted to live in slaughter
66.
forever.
So you were spying on me?
67.
You're not having
67.
here. You were gonna ditch everybody and abandon Sugar Rush.
Oh, please, I'm one of 16 racers. They'd never miss me.
Well, what about me?
Why would I ever spend another second with you after what you did?
No! Penelope, where are you going?
Don't not have to say.
Wait a minute, I can explain.
No, you will not follow me.
Dire at 67. Dire.
So you leave me alone.
Penelope, no, please, please. What did I do?
Scanning for insecurities.
67. No.
Insecurity detected. Copying insecurity. Distributing insecurity.
Sixty-eight. 68. 69. 69. 70. 71. 71. 72. 72. 73. 73. 74. 74. 75. 75. 76. 76. 77. 77. 78. 78. 79. 79. E.
Such an idiot.
E1, E1, E2, E2, E3, E3, E4, E4, E5. No, this is not E5, E6, E6, E7, 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 E8, E8, E9, E9, 9, 901. 91, 92, 92, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99, 100, 100, all the numbers, 100. Of course.